The governor of Enugu State, Dr. Mbah, has called for a fundamental shift in Nigeria's development model, placing human capital, experiential learning, and innovation at the center of sustainable growth. Speaking at the 55th Convocation Lecture of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, Governor Mbah delivered a lecture titled Restoring the Dignity of Man, Enugu's Quantum Leap in Human Development and Inclusive Prosperity through Experiential Learning. The governor argued that true development should be measured by people's capabilities rather than infrastructure alone, stressing that education must equip learners with practical skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. He highlighted the Enugu State government's investment in smart green schools, teacher training, technical education, healthcare, powers, transport, and technology as part of an integrated strategy to drive inclusive prosperity.
What then does it mean to restore the dignity of man in 21st century? I submit that dignity must be measured not simply by political freedom or constitutional rights, indispensable though they remain. It must also be measured by the capability of every citizen to learn continuously, think critically, create boldly, innovate confidently, and contribute meaningfully to society. True dignity exists when people possess not merely the freedom to aspire, but the capability to transform aspiration into achievement.
Also announced plans for a 660-megawatt power project and new universities focused on artificial intelligence, agriculture, and technology, saying the state aims to grow its economy to $30 billion within 8 years. Chairman of the occasion, Professor Chinedu Nebo, and Vice Chancellor, UNN, Professor Simon Otwanya, commended the governor's visionary leadership, stating that education remains the most effective instrument for restoring human dignity and advancing national development.
It's an institution of higher learning, but as a moral enterprise where the life and the mind would illuminate the destiny of a people, where scholarship would become the conscience of society, and where education would find its highest fulfillment in restoring the dignity of the human person. We resolved that the University of Nigeria must not only celebrate its illustrious past, it must consciously prepare for a future worthy of that past.
Demonstrated a bold commitment to transforming Enugu State through visionary leadership, strategic investments, and an unwavering emphasis on human development as the foundation of sustainable prosperity.
Now, the Governing Council paid special tribute to the guest lecturer for the occasion, Governor Mbah, in recognition of his outstanding contributions and the insightful lecture he delivered. The council commended his exemplary leadership, dedication to public service, and commitment to advancing education and national development, presenting him with an honorary recognition as a mark of appreciation for gracing the occasion and inspiring the university community.
Of the University of Nigeria to the 55th Convocation Lecturer of the University of Nigeria. On behalf of the University of Nigeria to the 55th Convocation Lecturer of the University of Nigeria.
White House correspondent Chidima Madu reports that the Convocation Lecture formed part of activities marking the University of Nigeria Nsukka's 55th Convocation ceremony. And of course, that's what we have right now from the state. Now, heading swiftly to another segment, we're going to be discussing social media trends, indeed what's happening and what's really making the rounds on social media. But right before that, we'll go on a quick break. We still have Educare Boss trying to join the call. And once we do return, we'll try to synergize on those two segments. Stay tuned.